All right, so have you ever been like working in Excel and you just get stuck doing the same thing like a million times over and over?
Oh, yeah,
You know what I mean?
for sure.
Like when you're trying to make like a header row look all nice and neat and you got to merge all those cells.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, oh, come on.
I feel that.
But someone actually sent in this really cool Excel shortcut that like totally solves this.
Yeah. So
Yeah, it's Alt plus H plus M plus C.
interesting.
I know it sounds like a secret code or something.
Yeah, kind of cryptic.
Right, but like, trust me, this thing could like totally change how fast you work in Excel.
Okay. I'm intrigued.
So let's like dive into this shortcut. What exactly does this magical combination do?
Well, in the Excel universe, keyboard shortcuts are like the superpower of anyone who really knows how to use it.
Yeah, like the secret handshake.
Yeah, exactly. And this particular shortcut, it helps with something everyone does, but can take forever if you do it the long way.
Okay, so spill the beans.
Huh.
What does Alt plus H plus M plus C actually do?
It merges cells together and then puts whatever's in them right in the middle.
Ah.
So you just pick the cells you want to combine, hold down the Alt key, and then tap H, then M, then C.
So like for that header row we were talking about.
Exactly. Instead of merging each cell one by one, you can just grab the whole row and boom, the shortcut does it all at once.
Whoa, that's so cool.
And you end up with this nice clean header that goes across all the columns.
That's already making my life easier just thinking about it. It's like saying goodbye to all that clicking and dragging.
It's a huge time saver.
Oh, wait, hold on. Could you explain what a header row is for people who might be new to spreadsheets?
Oh, yeah, good point. A header row is basically the very top row in your spreadsheet. It's where you usually put the names for each column, like the titles that tell you what's in each column below.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
So it's like the label row.
Exactly.
Okay, cool. I'm all about saving time, but you know me, I'm going to mess up.
It happens to the best of us.
Is there a way to like undo this merge thing if I accidentally merged the wrong cells?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. And it's super easy, too.
Yeah.
The undo shortcut is Alt plus H plus M plus U.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Yeah, so no need to freak out if you make a mistake. You can just fix it right away.
That makes me feel way better.
Yeah.
So we talked about how this shortcut is like a power move for people who really know Excel.
Yeah.
Are there ever times when it's like not the best way to go?
That's a great question. Merging cells looks really nice and it's great for headers, but sometimes it can make things tricky when you're trying to analyze data.
How so?
Well, some of the tools in Excel work best when each cell is separate.
Ah,
So it's like a balancing act. If you're doing things like sorting or filtering data, it's usually better to keep the cells separate.
this is not just about speed, but knowing when a shortcut is actually going to help you.
Right.
Okay, cool. Now, I love those little secret tips that make a big difference. And speaking of secrets, the notes you sent mentioned something about alignment getting messed up when you merge cells. Can you tell me more about that?
For sure. When you merge cells, everything usually ends up in the middle. Yeah, but sometimes you might need to change how things line up vertically inside that merged cell.
Up and down.
Yeah, it all depends on how you want things to look. It's just something to keep an eye on, and you can easily fix it using the alignment tools in Excel.
So it's like even with this awesome shortcut, you still got to pay attention and make sure everything looks right. It's not like a magic wand that fixes everything.
Exactly. It's a tool.
Yeah,
And when you use it the right way, it can make your spreadsheets look amazing.
that's a great way to put it.
Mhm.
So we started with this simple shortcut, and now we're talking about working smarter in Excel.
It's cool how one little thing can lead to bigger ideas.
It really is.
Yeah.
And you know what's really cool about all this?
What's that?
This is just one example. There's a whole world of Excel shortcuts out there just waiting to be discovered.
Yeah, and each one can make you work faster and better.
It makes you wonder what other things we do over and over again in Excel that could be done in like a snap with a shortcut.
It's mind-blowing when you think about
I
it.
know, right? It's
Right.
like we've unlocked a secret level in Excel.
Totally. And it all started with Alt plus H plus M plus C.
Well, this has been an amazing deep dive. Thank you so much for sharing your Excel wisdom.
My pleasure. It's been fun.
And to everyone listening out there, I hope this has inspired you to explore the world of Excel shortcuts and find those little tricks that can make a big difference in your work.
Go forth and conquer those spreadsheets.
Exactly. Until next time, happy spreadsheeting.
See ya. Bye. Bye.